Party Roundup. Hi, I'm Debbie. Easter, a key time on the Christian calendar. The sacred, however, merging with the profane as fun seekers up the party ante. We have highlights from Jesse Royal's Good Friday gig, Cooyah's fashion show on the sea, and I Love Soca.
Easter, the story of the crucifixion and the resurrection, but also a holiday packed with parties and gigs. Singer Jesse Royal headlining a Good Friday showcase at Cooyah in Kingston.
When I start from scratch and sleep, every style and my flow, them sweet like knees.
Sober and Ayatosh among the new blood. Diani serenading his fans. Janine bringing her singular sound. Big Youth, one of the more seasoned faces. Warm reception for Samurai Eye. Followed by Lila Ike.
Good people and good vibe. Give thanks every time in every single line. All if it no
and Savannah.
Now I'm not trying to preach to you, but it's so bad when you know the truth.
High Life Jesse Royal Show.
Sometimes in Jamaica, because of limitations, a lot of the experience is compromised. So for me, it was important to present the reggae music in a way that it should be, so that people can really enjoy and really get engaged with the high-level artists that Jamaica has to offer. Family setting, family bars, and this is what I want High Life to represent. I want High Life to represent the community. Just understand the impact what reggae music have. So we have to make sure so the people in here understand what we are.
So the reggae revival seemed to have lost a little bit of its steam. Any thoughts on that?
We were the defining time and are the defining time for a set of people. But the good thing is that we've made such great music that I can tell you it still resonates all around the world, and we're still making music. Like we just dropped Light of Mine, which could be one of my biggest songs ever. Protege just dropped Big 45, You Hear, Never Give Up, Chronics a play, here Kabaka, Red, Green and Gold, here Janine, still a ring out. So me realize, so you see all of them things are very relative, because all of my brothers and sisters that I'm talking about, I see them all around the world touring.
Cooyah, when them see me with the fire. Cooyah.
Yes, I love Cooyah because I love reggae music. It's the heartbeat of our culture, and I think it's what has promoted our culture to the whole world. So it means a lot to me to not only support that, but to also do so in my parts of the world.
I love the culture, I love the colors, I love that it's Caribbean, and I love that they're celebrating 420 today.
Oh, that's a sweet sense, you know.
Remember, before you say a Bob Marley t-shirt the way it is, you know, Cooyah do that long time, you know.
Sweet sense, you come around.
Casual wear brand Cooyah throwing an anniversary bash at G-Jam's Beach in Portland. All leafy overhang and soothing scenery.
Well, Cooyah has been around since 1987. The anniversary on the 420 is just to celebrate the stores. One in Kingston, one in Moby.
I identify Cooyah with my youthful days. Growing up, you want to get a Cooyah anything. And so like when I see what they're doing with the brand now, I'm just really awestruck because I feel like they have just grown with the times.
Well, I love the brand. Number one, it's been around for a very long time. And it's a holiday weekend, and we love Portland. I love the concept, love the idea. And you know, what is Jamaica? We're surrounded by water.
To see the backdrop for fashion from Cooyah and Biggie.
The main thing that people always say, no matter what, how many years, they can still take up a Cooyah shirt and put it on, and the design stays just like how the quality of the shirt. So the quality of the shirt and the design always remains, and it still stays with the current crowd. The formula is always the same, and it's just how you connect it with time. Whenever we want to bring an idea, just try to relate it to what's happening currently.
Talk with bad like 90s dancehall. Boy, them a go on like say the rain can't fall.
Tonight we really wanted to show Jamaica that the Cooyah line has expanded. Button-down shirts, polos with our new embroidered logos. We really wanted to have people understand that the line has grown from beyond t-shirts. Even though our Cooyah Experience booth is full of them, you also saw our resort collection. Easy, breezy, really sexy for the beach, for the weekend, and yeah, Cooyah is growing.
What's the appeal of the Cooyah brand?
Cooyah is the culture, that's the appeal.
Sing again.
Always celebrating Jamaica, always being true to Jamaica, always ensuring that we are living in the culture of Jamaica.
If you were to advise someone to have at least one piece of Cooyah gear in their wardrobe, what would it be?
I really love the like reggae vibe denim jacket. Like you can throw it over anything and it's like, wow, you're Jamaican, but you're also, you know, fitting the vibe. You're one of those girls. I just love it. It's in my closet, so go get it.
By Biggie. I think his level is a little bit more than Caribbean fashion to me. It's more international.
We did something that was very difficult to pull off, and we did. To put a runway in the water like we did. Everybody had fun seeing a fashion show in a format like this. We are a full-on clothing brand, and we are emphasizing that, and we're building on this. Cooyah is cool for anybody to wear.
That's Cooyah at G-Jam.
And listen, the Cooyah Experience is gonna be to 420 what Sumfest is to summer, and what Sting is to Christmas. So mark your calendars. Next year this time, 420. Don't miss it. Cooyah.
Yes, I'm from a place where soca there is resounding power you could feel.
I love Soca.
I come from when Gong used to carry it, where used to carry it.
This year, definitely more vibes for me.
The attention at Carnival on the Road March, but many opting for parties like Yes, I Love Soca.
Road March. But although Juve is the perfect mix of everything, but Road March over these parties.
Road March, especially Juve. Yes, Genesis Juve. Yeah, top tier.
Good people, good vibes, good people. Push them out if you don't.
I'm not putting on over a Road March. Because I get for walk the street, and if I wimp and I get a wimp and one girl move to the next girl, move to the next girl. Because we now have somebody, you know. You understand? That does me that.
Prefer I Love Soca.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a tough one still.
I think the parties, but I think they both bring a different vibe.
Make sure you swing your one there when them come to you.
But what about dancehall versus soca?
Dancehall. Dancehall, but you know, a little mix of soca. Yeah. Both of them.
No man, I'm a soca fan all day, every day. So I mean, a little bit of dancehall is like a 98% to 2%, but soca is my thing, man.
I want to say a little bit of both, but I'm more on the soca side, but it have to be like the whining song, then that should song them for the dancehall. Yeah. Girl tune them.
This time of year for me, I would say soca.
Everything in its season, and right now a soca season, so soca. Out to me next month, dancehall.
Anything special about Carnival this year or the same thing?
The music is a lot more consistent this year. It's a whole heap of hits this year, all kind of speeds. People can find a song with them like and enjoy it.
Marshall, dog, they're on a farm. You understand? We rate G. And as long as anyone has sung them, they could have old one them to the new one them. When you hear him sing them, you have to move.
What you prefer, dancehall or soca?
Soca. Straight soca. The tempo higher, and it's like, when you hear it play, like now, you just have to wine a girl.
I Love Soca with a rep for piling up the numbers. So, on target for another packed staging. New trend, whining braids. Familiar sight, run for cover. Transports of delight fueled by barriers. What barriers? Skinny Fabulous returning for I Love Soca.
The personality of the party makes people enjoy themselves. So they come here for a good time, and evidently they have a good time.
The Vincentian Soca Act, an alumnus of the UWI at Mona.
So you know, some people when they come to Jamaica, they're always kind of terrified to be on a Jamaican stage as a soca artist because they're like, oh, it's a dancehall country, but I don't separate it at all. I feel very comfortable on a Jamaica stage, very comfortable. I love to be here just to see how much bigger and bigger and bigger it gets every year. You know what I'm saying? I think Jamaica Carnival is now rivaling a lot of the other carnivals.
Is it time for soca to be a part of the Grammys?
I think so. But I mean, at this point in time, it might be controversial, but maybe it's time to just have a Caribbean music category where it can include dancehall, it can include soca, Cooyah, you know, anything from the Caribbean that we identify as Caribbean music. I think that should be a category.
A Soca Grammy. That's a thought. And that was I Love Soca.